We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 50-gallon Bradford White natural gas water heater. Starting at the very top, we'll give you a new vent pipe that goes up into the ceiling bucket. That's your bucket up there painted. So this pipe, because they come in 30-inch lengths, these pipes here, so it's just a little short, so we use just a little piece of your old pipe right up here, that guy. It's like 2 inches long, no big deal. Anyways, brand new adjustable 90, brand new 30-inch piece of pipe, brand new adjustable 90 down to the draft diverter that comes with the unit. Up on top, we gave you 2 valves. We were going to knock on the door and tell you the water was back on, but we forgot, so apologize for that. We replaced the gate valves here, so quarter turn ball valve, just quarter turn off, quarter turn on. Same thing on the hot side. This isn't required, but it's nice when you're working on a water heater, you're able to shut the flow off to both and disconnect everything, and you don't have to worry about water backfeeding through the hot side. So quarter turn on, quarter turn off. These are Watts full port ball valves. These are existing pipe nipples stubbed out. That's your pipe, and then the one you can't see is yours as well. It's barely stubbed out of the wall. We couldn't take it off or do anything or extend it out because it's so close to the wall. We couldn't get a wrench on it without damaging it. Anyway, so 2 new ball valves, 2 brass nipples, a little shorty here, a little 3-inch over there. Falcon stainless steel connectors. It's a full 3/4 inside diameter by 8 inches long down to a brass extension. Same thing over here. It's a 15-inch Falcon stainless steel connector. Again, these are the largest in the industry, so these flow real good compared to the other supply lines that are available. And then, of course, down to a 3/4 brass extension down there as well. Relief valve comes with the unit, so we install that, give you a little pipe nipple. This is a drainage line only, so no conflict with having iron pipe in here. Your whole house is iron pipe, by the way, but whenever we plumb water, as soon as we put on our first fitting, we go brass or stainless steel. We don't use any iron pipe for potable water, which is your hot and cold water in the home. This is a drain line, so if anything ever builds up in here, temperature and or pressure in this tank, this little thing will pop off right here, and it'll drain the line. So it's a drain only, so don't worry about that. Another connector down to a couple pieces of pipe, a little extension, a little 90. Didn't quite reach the old stub out, so we just put that on there. Upper third, we've got an adjustable strap. Lower third, we've got an adjustable strap. And then this is your model number, serial number. If you want to register this, you can go to bradfordwhite.com, give them your serial number and all your contact information. Get your warranty going on this. Down here, brand new gas shutoff valve right there. And then, of course, the gas connector. Right now it's set to approximately 120 degrees. You can see right here scalding risk increases with hotter water. So hot is approximately 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. B140, third degree burns in 3 seconds. The elderly and infants, 1 second. So try and not turn this up. Try and leave it right there at 120. If you have trouble in the home with hot water at a specific fixture, it could be a cartridge, such like a tub valve, shower valve, something like that. But you know, if you have trouble with this at all, you know, call me first and let me know, and I'll see if we can troubleshoot something in the home. You know, we've come out here and we've had this all set all the way at 160, and it was something going on with the fixture, not the water heater. So brand new. Anyways, everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.